Let's fix this bitch.
This is the seawater line. I'm trying to trace the freshwater line and the fee of the water that comes when it's been filtered. But it's just not making sense.